this video, I'll introduce you to Socrative. Socrative is an internet-based tool that can be used to include polls, quizzes, and assessment games in classes to encourage active learning. To use it, teachers will need to sign up for a free account. Students only need access to the internet on a laptop or even their phones in class. Let's look at how it works. As an instructor, you will go to www.socrative.com and click on the teacher login. You'll be asked for your username and password, which you created when you created your account, and you'll be brought to this screen. On this screen, you can create a quiz, create a space race, create an exit ticket, or ask quick questions. First, let's look at quizzes, the space race, and exit tickets. These are activities that you create in advance. To create them, you go to Quizzes. From this page, you can create a quiz or import a quiz. Since most of the quizzes that you'll be using for in-class activities will be short, probably create a quiz is the easiest way to go. Let's go ahead and click on Create a Quiz. First, you name it. Then you use these buttons to decide what sort of question you want to put in your quiz. Multiple choice, true and false, or short answer. I'll go with multiple choice. In this blank, you type in your question. And in these blanks, you type in your answers, and you put a check next to the correct answer. When you're done, you click Save. If you want to put in another question, you just click multiple choice, true, false, or short answer again, and repeat the process. When you're done, you click Save and Exit. Once you have a quiz created, when you're in class, when you're ready to show it, from the Launch screen, you click on Quiz. You'll see a list of all the quizzes that you've created. Click on the one that you would like to show to your students. Set these settings however you would like, and click Start. The students can now see the quiz. Let's look at what students can see. The students will also go to www.socrative.com, but instead of choosing the teacher login, obviously they'll choose the student login. When they choose the student login, they'll be presented with a screen that asks them for the room name. This is the room name. The room name shows at the top of every screen that you can see as an instructor. You simply provide this name to the students, and they click Join. They're asked to put their name in, and then they can see the questions of the quiz that you've shown them. They click their answers and get immediate feedback. And then they get told that the quiz is over and that they're waiting for you to start the next activity. Back on your screen, you can see the list of all the students that have taken the quiz and their results. This gives you immediate feedback so that you can know whether your students are understanding what you're talking about in class and whether it's time for you to move on. In addition to a quiz that students see as individuals, you can also create a space race. Let's click on that and look at what it does. Again, when you click on Space Race, it gives you a list of the quizzes that you have created. It allows you to then split your class up into a number of teams. You can choose whether you want the team assignment to be automatic or student choice. And you can choose between a variety of cute little icons to demonstrate the race, to illustrate the race. When you're finished, click Start. This is what you see, and you can display this on your screen if you'd like. The students see the quiz as before and answer the questions. As they do, the team that they're applied to, if they answer correctly, gets moved across the board. And whichever team finishes first wins the race. Finally, let's look at how quick questions work. For quick questions, you can click on either multiple choice, true, false, or short answer. I'll click on true and false. When I do that, this is what the students see. Then you orally ask them a question. True or false, a banana is a vegetable. And they click their answer. You can see the number of students who answered false and the number of students who answer true. Again, in this way, you can see whether your students are paying attention and getting what you're talking about, or whether you need to continue explaining. The short answer option under Quick Question can be a great way to solicit more detailed or more complex feedback from the students. If I click on Short Answer, I can choose whether to allow unlimited responses or require student names. And then I click Start. This is what the student sees on their screen. And then you can ask them a question like, what is your favorite fruit? Since we're talking about fruits and vegetables. And they can type their answer. Back on your screen, you can see their answers. So you can see with the use of pre-planned quizzes or just quick questions, how you can encourage active learning and participation in your class through technology.